Hello everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back if you've been here before. I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. Thanks for joining me. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I already primed and set my eyes. And now I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place Zulu eyeshadow palette. And I'm gonna take that shade and put that in my crease. And then I'm gonna take the other shade and put that all over my lids. And then I'm gonna take the last shade and put that on the end parts of my eyes. Also, if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure that you do so. Please make sure you hit the bell and you click all to be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos, as well as comment and share, because that really helps my channel and I really appreciate it. Moving on to my face, I'm going to use the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Next, I'm using the Everyday Humans Rose from Above Mineral Sunscreen. For primer, I'm using the NARS Pore and Shine Control Primer. Now I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut to cover up the dark spots on my face and neck. Next, I'm using the AB8 setting powder in Deep Peach to set where I had that concealer at. For foundation, I'm using the Juvia's Place Iron Magic Velvety Matte Foundation in Kampala 340. To highlight, I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Praline, and I'm just putting this all the places where the light would naturally hit my face. While that's sitting, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark to contour my nose as well as bronze my face. Now I'm using the AB8 setting powder in Deep Peach again to set where I highlighted at. For my all over face powder, I'm using the Huda Beauty setting powder in Cinnamon Bun. For my blush, I'm using the Beauty Bay blush in Coral. To highlight, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Demi Glow highlighter in Too Much. For lips, I'm using the NYX Lip Liner and Club Hopper. Then I'm going to use the Too Faced Sweet Peach Lip Gloss. And then the Sephora Lip Gloss Balm. To set my face, I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. Hope you all enjoyed this Sunlit Spice eyeshadow look that I did. If you're not subscribed, please make sure that you do so. Please make sure you hit the bell and you click all to be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos, as well as comment and share, because that really helps my channel and I really appreciate it. Everything I use will be listed in the description box, as well as all my social media handles. And if you have any looks that you want to see, please let me know so that I can do those looks. Thank you all so much for watching, and I appreciate each and every one of you. I'll see all of you in the next one, and make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.